Hello, my name is Sheldon Foster, and I would like to demonstrate a Hello World program in Python using Visual Studio Code. And I wanted to do something that was a little bit more complicated than just the one line print Hello World. So I did a little bit of looking up online to see how I could print out one letter at a time, given a specific text that you pass to a function. And also I wanted to clear the screen. So looking up these couple items, I determined that I needed to import the time and the OS libraries. And here's a definition of a function called print one by one, and you pass some text to it. It iterates through each letter in the text, and with each letter, it prints that out every 0.25 seconds. And before you actually run the function, you clear the screen with this os.system, and then cls is the system command that you pass to it. So we're going to go ahead and run it now and see how that works. Cleared the screen and then types out hello world, exclamation point, one letter at a time. Thank you very much.